Lithium-ion batteries are a crucial component of modern electronics, and as the demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy storage continues to grow, so does the demand for lithium batteries. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 biggest lithium battery manufacturing plants worldwide. First on our list is the Tesla Gigafactory 1, located in Nevada, USA. This factory has a total area of 5.3 million square feet and is capable of producing up to 35 gigawatt-hours of battery cells and 50 gigawatt-hours of battery packs per year. It's currently the largest lithium battery manufacturing plant in the world. Next up is the CATL Liang plant, located in China. This factory has a total area of 11 million square feet and is capable of producing up to 24 gigawatt-hours of battery cells per year. It's the largest lithium battery manufacturing plant in China and supplies batteries to companies such as BMW and Volkswagen. Moving on, we have the LG Chem plant in Ochang, South Korea. This factory has a total area of 4.4 million square feet and is capable of producing up to 17 gigawatt-hours of battery cells per year. It supplies batteries to companies such as General Motors and Hyundai. Fourth on our list is the BYD plant in Qinghai, China. This factory has a total area of 5 million square feet and is capable of producing up to 16 gigawatt-hours of battery cells per year. It's one of the largest lithium battery manufacturing plants in China and supplies batteries to companies such as Daimler and Toyota. Finally, we have the SK Innovation plant in Seosan, South Korea. This factory has a total area of 4.3 million square feet and is capable of producing up to 11 gigawatt-hours of battery cells per year. It supplies batteries to companies such as Ford and Volkswagen. So there you have it, the top 5 biggest lithium battery manufacturing plants worldwide. These factories are responsible for producing a significant portion of the world's lithium-ion batteries and play a crucial role in the development of electric vehicles and renewable energy storage. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more science and technology content.